Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process of installing ScreenFlow on your Mac step by step. To start, open your web browser and go to the official ScreenFlow website using the link I've provided in the video description. Once the page loads, you'll see options to either start a free trial or purchase the full version. If you're just testing it out, click on the free trial button. The download will begin automatically. When the download finishes, locate the .dmg file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. A window will appear showing the ScreenFlow app icon alongside your Applications folder. To install, simply drag the ScreenFlow icon into the Applications folder. This copies the app to your system. Once finished, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, open Launchpad, or go to your Applications folder and launch ScreenFlow. The first time you open it, you may see a security prompt saying the app was downloaded from the internet. Click Open to proceed. Now ScreenFlow will ask for several permissions in order to function properly. You'll need to grant access to screen recording, microphone, and camera. To do this, go to System Settings, then scroll down to Privacy and Security. Under Screen and System Audio Recording, add ScreenFlow and toggle it on. If you're using macOS Ventura or later, you may also need to enable accessibility features. Still in Privacy and Security, open the Accessibility section and check the box next to ScreenFlow. Once all permissions are granted, go back and restart the app. At this point, ScreenFlow is fully installed and ready to use. You can start a new recording, import media, or explore the editing tools. If you're using the trial version, keep in mind that your exported videos will have a watermark. To remove it, you'll need to buy a license and activate it directly within the app. Just click ScreenFlow in the menu bar, select Enter License Key, or Settings and paste in your code. And that's it. ScreenFlow is now set up and ready for recording and editing on your Mac. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more macOS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.